Today I plan to explain words, action verbs that we use everyday activity, daily routines that we use these words. First one, wake up. To stop sleeping. Wake up. To stop sleeping. My alarm clock wakes me up on work days. So here someone he sets his alarm at particular time. According to that time, that specific time, alarm starts ringing. Alarm starts making sound. So it made him to wake up. He's telling my alarm clock wakes me up on work days. Work days means Monday to Friday or Saturday. It depends on company where they do work. Some companies they provide leave on weekends. Some they don't. So this person might set his alarm at specific time. So at that time where alarm starts ringing, so he's telling my alarm clock wakes me up on work days. So what time he set his alarm, don't know. What time that he did set his alarm clock, don't know. But it makes that person to wake up. It makes that person to stay awake. He is sleeping, and when he heard that alarm clock sound, he woke up now. My alarm clock wakes me up. So alarm clock made him to get up, wake up. Wake up means he was sleeping before. When he heard this sound, now he stay awake. Next one, get up. To leave your bed after sleeping. Get up. To leave your bed after sleeping. Wake up means you were sleeping before. When you heard sound, by hearing alarm sound, this person woke up. After that, getting out of bed, that is get up. To leave your bed after sleeping. So get out of your bed, that is get up. So they got up early to prepare for the journey. They got up early to prepare for the journey. So these people out of the bed. So they have to go somewhere. They have planned to go some picnic or journey. They need to travel somewhere. So they prepare for their journey, for their travel. They got up early. So they out of bed. They woke up and out of bed too. So they are preparing. They are preparing for the journey. They plan to go somewhere. For that, before leaving, they should prepare. They should prepare for the journey. They have to arrange, they have to pack things, what they need for their journey. So they are preparing. Because of that, they got up early. Next one, sleep in. Sleep in, to stay in bed longer. To stay in bed longer. Usually at weekends. I usually get up at 6, but I always sleep in on Sunday. It means this person usually gets up at 6, but on Sundays he doesn't wake up like he does every day. Every day he gets up at 6, but on Sundays he sleep in. He sleep in on Sundays. Means on Sundays he doesn't get up early. That is what it means. He get up late. He gets up late. He will get up late on Sundays. Every Sunday there is every Sunday where some people have this. Some people they like to get up late on Sundays. So maybe this person also same. Like he sleep in bed. He sleep in on Sunday. He still in bed long period of time. He likes to be in on his bed. I usually get up at 6, but I always sleep in on Sunday. So whenever he gets up late. That is what it means. And next one, put on, to get dressed. Monica put on her jacket and left for work. Put on means to get dressed. To get dressed. Monica put on her jacket and left for work. So Monica, she has worn her jacket and she left her work. To get dressed. To get dressed means put on their dress. Kids put their uniforms on before go to school. That is how we use put on. To get dressed. Monica has put on her jacket before leaving to work. And next one, take off. To remove clothes from your body. Brian took off his shoes and socks. Take off. To remove clothes from your body. Something that take off from, it can be even flights. Takes off from the ground. So that is where we use take off. Here, removing clothes, take off clothes, dress changing. Brian took off his shoes and socks. He is removing his shoes and socks after back from work or school. He takes off after back from work or shoes. They take off their shoes and socks. Brian took off his shoes and socks. Set off. To start a journey. To start a journey. Set off means to start a journey. Move to somewhere. We had a good breakfast before we set off. These people had breakfast before leaving, before move from that place. Set off means going to do some action, some activity. Move to do something. Set off. To start a journey. Before we plan to do something. So these people, after having their breakfast, they move to do their work. We had a good breakfast before we set off. Next one, tidy up. To put your things where they belong. The children tied up their room after playing. So it means they took some toys to play. Once they have finished playing, they kept their toys or whatever they have taken. They kept where they belong, where they supposed to keep. In that same place they kept. That is what it means. So now it is tidy. It is clean and it looks tidy now. It's clean. It looks clean. There is no dirt. There is no mess around their room because the children tied up their room. After playing, it won't seem messy or messed up. So while playing, it might be messy because they grab toys and they put here and there. It was looking untidy while they were playing. Once they keep where they belong to, where they supposed to keep, when they keep at that place, now it is tidy. Now it looks tidy, tied up. Now children did cleaning and by keeping those toys where they supposed to keep. Next one, put away. Put away. To put your things in their usual place. She folded her clothes and put them away. Where she usually put her clothes. in that same place, after folding her dress or whatever she has, she put them in that same place where she usually keeps her clothes. That is what it means. Folding her dress, she keeps it. It must be wardrobe or suitcase where she usually put her, her dress, her clothes. So that in the same place, at the same place, she folded her clothes and put them away. She using same place to keep her clothes, her dress. If she using wardrobe, so after folding her dress or whatever she use, clothes, she put in that same wardrobe, same place where she usually keeps. Next one, workout. To go to a gym or somewhere else to exercise. Workout. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. To go to a gym or somewhere else to exercise. For doing exercise, this person goes to gym. Gym or somewhere else to exercise. He wants to do exercise, whether it can be gym or somewhere where he can do exercise. So this person, I work out at the gym 3 times a week. So in a week, in 7 days, he does 3 times gym. He does workout 3 times. So 3 days he usually goes to workout. Usually goes to gym center or where they do exercise. He does gym workout 3 times in a week. So every day he doesn't go. He goes only 3 times. He will do only 3 times in a week. It can be gym or somewhere else to do exercise. I hope you understand this action verbs that we do everyday activity, everyday actions, that we use these words to express what we do. Routines. These are routine things that we do in every day-to-day life. I hope you understand this all. Thank you. Bye for now.